Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is your you and your person reading. So I'll be doing it a little differently this time. So I'll be looking into your energies, your person's energies, their current feelings, your current feelings, and the best course of action. And then I'll be digging into the details, and the link for that will be on Patreon, which is given in the description box below. So if this reading resonates with you, you can definitely check that out on Patreon by clicking on the link in the description box. And yes, I am offering for the personal readings. You can definitely contact me, and the details of that are also given in the description box. And yes, there is an offer. If you join me on Patreon, for the first 10 Patreons, I am giving a free personal reading for one question. Okay, so let's get into the question. So let's see what are your energies, Aries. So this is your energy. Okay, so let's see what are your current feelings for the person you are dealing with. Your current feelings for the person you are dealing with. The Nine of Wands. Okay, the best course of action which you think, or according to you, the best course of action according to you is Three of Cups. Okay, so let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with. The Hermit. Okay, their current feelings for you. Do we have the Ace of Pentacles here? But what I saw first was the Eight of Cups, so I would like to uh, anyway, it's okay, let's take both of them. And what is the best course of action according to them in this situation? So the best course of action according to them is the Temperance. Okay, and what's the most likely outcome for both of you? It's the Two of Cups. Okay, so as far as you are concerned, Aries, these are your energies. So for the King of Swords, definitely you are, I don't think you people are talking much. You are very, very guarded. There is some sort of, something has definitely happened perhaps, because of which you are guarded. Okay, it can be in this relationship, it can be the result of some other experience in your past, but whatever it is, as for now, both of you, I really don't think are communicating much. Both of you, maybe you are distant, you are feeling guarded, or you are feeling defensive also. Okay, or maybe too straightforward in the communication. So whatever you are talking about, whatever you are speaking is very straightforward, no mincing of the words, nothing, a very straightforward approach, but definitely not talking much. Okay, so your current feelings are the Nine of Wands. So here you feel that your effort or the energy which you are investing in this relationship is not being rewarded. You really don't feel that there is any reciprocation from their side, and you are just waiting and waiting and waiting for this person to show up or to commit something of that sort. Okay, but definitely it is it's been, you've been waiting since a long time for this person either to commit or to show up positively, or to take it to the next level. Whatever it is, we'll clarify that on Patreon what it is. But yes, definitely you really feel that your efforts are not being rewarded. You are not getting the exact reciprocation which you would like to have in this relationship. The best course of action according to you is the Three of Cups. Definitely you want to meet this person, you want to reconcile with them if that is what it is, and you want to have a good time with them, you want to enjoy with them, you want to party with them, you want to go out with them. So it's, you want to have happy times, you are looking for some sort of a celebration with this person. Okay, that is what you think is your, that is what you want, or the best course of action according to you, or you plan to do. So this is your person with the Hermit. So definitely I really don't think both of you are talking much. So this person, maybe they feel lonely in the relationship. It can be that, or maybe that is their nature. They're a bit introvert type of a person. But as for now, this person is perhaps trying to dig deeper into this relationship. Maybe they're trying to find some answers to it. But they're definitely trying to be in touch with their intuition. They're looking for some sort of solutions within them. Okay, so I really don't see that there is any mutual exchange of communication or any thing you are meeting, or anything, both of you are really feel, or maybe you are even physically distant at different places, but definitely there is, this person is totally to themselves as for now, totally retreated in their own life, in their own mode. But definitely there are a lot of deep thinking is going on in this person's life for whatever reason. Okay, their current feelings for you. What I saw was Eight of Cups. Actually, I will have to see what this Ace of. Maybe this person may be wanting a new beginning. I don't know, in their life or with you. That I don't know. But as far as this Eight of Cups is concerned, definitely walking away from something. Maybe that is what they are thinking of. It can be a general energy of their life that they want to walk away from something which may have been very, very emotionally fulfilling at some point in time, but it doesn't feel to be good to be there right now, and maybe they want to leave that situation in search of a new beginning. That is what this is, a transition of this person's life, and maybe that is what they are looking for you also. Maybe they want to walk away from you, or and have a new beginning in their life with somebody else, or maybe since I really feel that you've been waiting and waiting, maybe they want to leave certain aspects of this relationship, and then if that is okay with you, then have a new beginning with you. We'll see that what that is on when we clarify those things on Patreon. Okay, and the best course of action according to them is the Temperance. So we have the Hermit and the Temperance, two major cards here amongst these set of 3 to 4 cards here. So definitely this person wants some sort of a moderation. This person wants things to go either slow, or they want certain things to be sorted out. That's what I feel with the Temperance. This person really wants some sort of a balance to be restored, and maybe that is what they are looking for, that is what they want. Okay, so now this wanting may be communicated to you perhaps, or may not be communicated to you, but this is what they plan to do. They want to moderate things now, maybe in this relationship or in their own life, but they want moderation. They definitely want moderation. Why it is, what is happening here, we'll have to see that once we clarify. The best course of action is coming up as the Two of Cups. So definitely what I feel is this connection is there. It's not that love is not there. Love is there on both the sides, definitely. But maybe the best course of action is equal give and take of the relationship. Maybe that is what is not happening, and maybe that is what this person wants to moderate. So maybe something here is lacking as far as the healthy boundaries of the relationship is concerned, or maybe equal balance is concerned, something of that sort. That's what I'm getting. So there is something over here, what I feel is regarding the balance, which is has to be restored in this relationship. So that is the best course of action, in the sense that that is the most likely outcome of this relationship. So if you are able to sort it out, I think that will be the best aspect of this relationship, or the best outcome of this relationship. So Aries, that's all for you over here, and I'll be digging deeper into all these cards and having a clearer insight on Patreon. If this reading resonates with you, do join me there. Do avail the benefit of a free personal, one question personal reading also over there, and you will be able to resonate and get a better idea of what's going on exactly over here. So thanks for being here. If you choose to join me on Patreon, you're most welcome. And if it is if your journey is still here, then also thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. Hope it helps. Bye.